Imagine this. You are standing in a room where everyone is trading secrets, making deals, and building empires. Nobody notices you because you are new, quiet, just observing. Then someone hands you a key, and the key unlocks the exact knowledge they have been using for decades to build wealth. That room is the stock market. That key is this video. Welcome to What is the Stock Market and How Can You Become Successful? A personal, powerful, and practical guide told from the perspective of a father to his teenager, but meant for anyone who wants to learn how the richest people in the world grow their wealth without lifting a finger. If I could go back and teach my younger self one thing, it would be this. The stock market is not gambling. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is the most powerful wealth-generating machine ever created, and anyone, yes, anyone, can learn how to use it. Let me tell you a story. Imagine you buy a slice of your favorite pizza shop. Not the whole shop, just a piece. Every time that pizza shop makes money, you get a share of it. Now imagine thousands of people want to buy a slice of that same pizza shop, and the value of your slice grows over time. That is what owning stock is. It is owning a small part of a real company. The stock market is the place where people go to buy and sell those small parts. But here is what separates successful investors from everybody else. They understand that the stock market is emotional. It is driven by fear and greed. They learn to master their mindset first. Now, let us get into the formula. Step 1 is education. You need to understand how companies make money, what a stock is, what a dividend is, and what supply and demand means. Do not worry. It sounds complicated now, but it is just a few simple terms repeated over and over. Learn how to read a stock chart. Understand basic financials. Follow what is happening in the world. Step 2 is mindset. The market rewards the patient and punishes the emotional. You need to see your investments like planting a tree, not spinning a roulette wheel. When the market goes down, the beginner panics. But the wise investor sees an opportunity to buy more at a discount. Step 3 is start small. Even with $100, you can begin investing through apps like Robinhood, Webull, or Fidelity. Buy shares of ETFs. These are bundles of companies like VU or SPY. They track the S&P 500, which is like owning a slice of the top 500 companies in America. This gives you instant diversification and lowers your risk. Step 4 is automate. Set up recurring deposits. Even if it is only $10 per week, let that money automatically go into your investments. Over time, this builds what is called compound interest, the secret weapon of every millionaire. Step 5 is strategy. Divide your investments into 3 categories: safe, growth, and moonshots. Your safe investments are ETFs and blue-chip companies like Apple or Microsoft. Your growth investments are companies in emerging industries like artificial intelligence, clean energy, or biotech. Your moonshots are small, speculative investments you believe in deeply, but can afford to lose. Step 6 is time. Time is your best friend. The longer you stay invested, the more you grow. Do not try to time the market. Just spend time in the market. Even during crashes and corrections, history shows the stock market always trends upward over time. Step 7 is learn from others. Read books like The Intelligent Investor. Watch YouTube channels that break down stocks and news in simple language. Listen to podcasts from successful investors. You do not need to reinvent the wheel. Just follow the proven tracks of those who have already built success. Step 8 is protect your gains. As you grow your portfolio, start learning about Roth IRAs, tax shelters, and other ways to keep more of what you earn. Successful investors not only make money, they know how to keep it. Step 9 is reinvest. When your stocks pay dividends, reinvest them. When you make a gain, do not cash out. Let it grow even more. The more you reinvest, the faster your account snowballs. Step 10 is teach. Share what you learn with your friends, your family, or even on social media. When you teach, you remember. When you remember, you grow. Suddenly, you are not just a teenager learning about money. You are becoming the person other people go to for financial advice. Let me make this personal. When I was your age, nobody taught me this stuff. I thought the only way to get rich was to win the lottery or become famous. But I learned that the quiet people, the patient ones, the ones who invest while everyone else is distracted, they are the ones who end up owning the world. If you are watching this right now, you are already ahead of most people your age. I want you to remember something. The earlier you start, the wealthier you become. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. If you are thinking, this sounds amazing, but I am not smart enough, let me remind you, the market does not reward intelligence. It rewards discipline. You are more than capable, and your future self will thank you for starting now. If this video opened your mind or gave you the motivation to finally take your first step into investing, then like this video right now, because momentum starts with action. Drop a comment below with the company you would invest in first. Let us talk about it. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss another strategy. Watch our playlist How You Can to learn how to turn small habits into massive wealth. Always remember this. The stock market is not just for rich people in suits. It is for you, for dreamers, for kids with a vision, for anyone bold enough to learn the rules and play the game. Your journey starts with one share, one decision, one day, and today is that day.